Hi, this is John Myrna, and welcome to this week's blog. Will your tax refund be delayed next year? Stay tuned. This time each year, I like to give our clients an idea of whether their tax refund will be on time. We all know that big lump sum of money that you get once a year from the federal government, which is your own hard-earned wages, is something that we look forward to. It can buy a lot of things that we don't generally have the money for during most of the year. And in the past, the last several years, there's been problems with the refunds coming on time. Everyone knows well what happened last year with the government closures and the year before. And the question right now is, will we see the same delay in this coming tax season? The answer is maybe. Right now, I'd say it's about a 50-50 chance. There are general issues that affect the tax refund. Those issues are government closure, for one. And right now, the federal government just extended a bill till December 20th to fund the government, meaning they have another 20-odd days or so to figure out whether they're going to fund it through the tax season. Once again, you remember how they didn't fund it in time and the tax returns were delayed. We will know better around December 20th whether the funding is going to go out past the tax refund season. That's why I say right now 50-50 chance. There are other general concerns which include the security upgrades the IRS has been putting into place the last couple of years. A lot of those things are to prevent identity theft and also prevent hacking. Those upgrades have had plenty of time to be implemented, so it's doubtful that they're going to cause any delay unless there's some technical issues with regards to getting used to them or just applying them during a season when vast amounts of returns are coming in. On the other front, the effect of delays are on an individual basis. Everyone knows that if you don't complete your return properly, it is going to delay you getting your money. A couple of things you might watch out for is to make sure, number one, it's complete, fully completed and signed. Number two, make sure you've checked all your spelling and especially your numbers. Social Security errors can cause a massive amount of delay and confusion. Number three, if you are someone receiving an earned income credit or a credit for a dependent, make sure you're the one that can take it and there's no one else taking it for you, because any conflicting data they get in is going to delay both the returns, and I know you don't want that to happen. Other things such as improper or inaccurate banking data, your check gets sent to the wrong place or the routing number is wrong so you don't get the check. All of those things can be prevented if you give it a second chance. It's a very important document that you're completing online or in person, so make sure that you give it a once or twice over just to make sure that all that data is correct. Hopefully I'll be able to give you a better update maybe after the 20th, whether we know the government is going to still be in session or have funding, I should say. But as of now, I don't think there's a high need to be concerned about whether you're going to get your refund on time. Technically, the government begins, according to their website, accepting the returns around the 21st of January, although many tax filing software and websites will take them earlier. Generally, once you've submitted them also, everything being correct, you can generally see that refund within 8 days if you're doing direct deposit. If you need more information, certainly go to the IRS.gov website. They have tracking software which will allow you to track your refund. They also have a lot of good information on how to prepare it so that you don't have any delays hit you. This is John Myrna with the Myrna Law Group, hoping you do get your return on time and hoping you have a very good and a great return this tax season. Thank you for visiting.